Hi guys, Jack here. Today I want to show you a simple walkthrough on how to build your first website for free in just less than 5 minutes. This doesn't require you to know anything about computer language, coding, programming, or any of that stuff. In fact, you can build your own website with absolutely zero experience. Let me show you. So what you are seeing right now is a platform called Wealthy Affiliate. It's the platform I use to build and host all my website and my client website. Now let's go to website and then site builder. Site builder is a website builder created by Wealthy Affiliate. You can have your own website up and running in just a few simple clicks. Now step 1. What kind of website do you want to build? For these demonstrations, I will choose a free domain. I won't go ahead and explain the differences between using a free domain and a registered domain in this video, because the purpose of this video is just to show you how easy it is to build a website with today's technology. If you want to learn more about domain and stuff, click the link below to join Wealthy Affiliate and I will provide you with all the details and resources. Now step number 2, choose a domain name for your website. This is basically the URL or the address of your website. You can choose any name you want, preferably something that is related to the topic of your site. For these demonstrations, let's say we put jetdemosite@siterubix.com. For your info, your domain name shouldn't have any space in between. If you're wondering why there's a Site Rubix here in your domain, it's because we are using a free domain to build our website. If you buy and register a domain of your own, you can get rid of this Site Rubix. Step 3. The title for your website. This usually be the same as your domain name, but it can be different as well. So I will put Jet Demo Website. Choose a design for your website. You can quickly browse through the design provided and choose one that you like. For example, I will choose this for now. The tips here is don't spend too much time on choosing your theme because you can always change it later. Finally, click on Build My Website. And then Wealthy Affiliate super simple but powerful website builder will be doing all the complicated stuff for you. They will take care for all the coding and programming of your website. All you need to do right now is wait for less than a minute. That's it to build your first website. All you need to do is complete those 4 simple steps. Choose the kind of website you want, choose the domain name, enter the title, and choose the design. Once that is done, your website will be up and running. Super simple and easier, right? Building a website isn't as difficult as many people think. It's very easy. Now it says, awesome, your website is installed and ready to go. Let's go into our website and take a look. Click on Login Now. Now this is the dashboard of your WordPress website. Everything is in simple English. There's no confusing coding involved here. If you go to the top left hand corner and click on Visit Site, this will bring you to the home page of your website. As you can see, your website is live right now. Your site is completely new, that's why it's empty here. And you see this Welcome to your premium website post. You can start adding content and customizing the look of your website. If you go back to your dashboard, here's a quick get started guide where you can start customizing your site and building it by following this. All the tools and functions are right on the left hand side here. All of this may seem overwhelming to you at the beginning because it's something new for you if you haven't worked on a WordPress website before. Just give it some time and you will be familiar with it. As you become more experienced, you can start helping others to build their site and charge it as a service. That's all for this quick video. If this is your first time building a website, I hope this has proven to you that building a website today is pretty easy, right?